What we're doing now is some wheels, and these are a little bit different. They're a bicolored wheel. So let me just weave one here for you so you can see how it looks. You can take your weave right underneath there, and it's sort of like a chase Cherokee. How's that? One goes in and the second one follows. And you're going to do about 6 rows around, I think is what I did. So that'd be 3 of white and 3 of blue. And the wheels are done after. They're an embellishment. They're done after the basket's done. So you can see it's pretty easy. I'll just do this next one so you can see how it leads into the next one. Or next one on the next stake. So if I'm counting, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be my last one on this side. And now what we'll do, notice that this one came down, this one will go up to the next one. So I'm going to do the one on the bottom first. Be the blue one underneath here. Followed by the white one, and this will always alternate up or down. And there's the next one. So, and you just continue across the basket, or around the basket. Okay? So this one goes down, this will come up, swirl around, the next one will go down again. And there you have it. Hey, it's Jill. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like our videos and subscribe. That way you're always updated on anything basket related that we have on our Jill Choate Basketry channel. You won't miss a thing. Please like us and subscribe. See you next time.